How to make your private server public in Roblox. First things first is open up roblox.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then here you just gotta go ahead and find the specific experience or the game in which that you have created the private server with. So for example, this one. So since I do not have any servers created, we'll put this on a test. Now, once you have created or got into your specific experience in which you have created a private server with, you just gotta go ahead and click on that specific three dots located at the server that you created and go to configure private server. Now, to make this public is just simply allowing this option here that says friends allowed. If you enable it, it will automatically be set out as a public server. Now, other options you can do is just to copy your server link and then just simply send it to any of your friends on Roblox so that they can join them. And that's how you make your private server public in Roblox.